How's it going, YouTube? My name is Ari and welcome to Blue Lion Finance, a channel dedicated to investing in my personal journey to amassing $100,000 within my Vanguard brokerage account. Now, as a quick update, that account is at $81,337.17. It is actually down in today's video by $693.43. All coming after a ton of grappling with the volatility in the stock market. Now, I believe that volatility is going to continue on into this week. Not a whole lot has changed. We're still battling the fears of the Omicron variant. Let's face it, we are currently battling this uptick in COVID cases, which is certainly causing a ton of fear. And that fear and uncertainty here is our volatility. Now, this week, we're also facing the news that is due to come out when it comes to economic data, which is adding to the fears and uncertainty. But ultimately, if we're staying our course, buying high quality stocks on sale, I do believe we don't have a ton to worry about here for the long-term investor. Now, that is exactly what I want to get into in today's video and just go over 3 powerhouse stocks when it comes to real estate investment trusts. Before we dive in, go ahead, tap on that thumbs up button, help me grow this channel and get the word out there. Of course, if you haven't done so already, tap on that subscribe button while you're at it. I'd love to have you on this journey with me. Now, YouTube, let's go ahead and get right to it. Before we go any further into today's video, what I want to get into are my honest thoughts on real estate, and not just because I'm a real estate guy outside of the YouTube community, but moreover because in 2020, 2021, and now heading into 2022, real estate, or REITs for that matter, real estate investment trusts, are going to be the perfect investment hedge against inflation. Now, as many of you may know, that while the value of the dollar is being devalued, we can actually throw our money into an asset class like real estate, physical properties, or investing into REITs. The value of those properties during this time will be going up, and therefore that is creating the perfect investment for all of us to get into. Now, throughout 2021 and into 2022, you're gonna be hearing me talk about REITs because we're still gonna be battling inflation. Now, with that being said, we're gonna close out 2021 with real estate being one of the top performing sectors within the stock market, and I do believe we're gonna have a very productive 2022 when it comes to investing in real estate. Now, this all leads me to talking about the 3 unstoppable REITs that we can get invested into, with the very first REIT I want to talk about being Digital Realty Trust, ticker symbol DLR. Now, Digital Realty Trust is not exactly investing in properties within the metaverse per se, but it's actually owning a REIT that is focused on investing in and building out carrier neutral data centers. That's where essentially many of these Fortune 500, Fortune 1000 companies are storing all of their data. Now, most importantly to note when it comes to Digital Realty Trust, it's not just the nation's largest digital realty trust, but it's actually one of the largest real estate investment trusts overall. Now, since their founding in 2001, Digital Realty Trust has been scaling beautifully with 291 current data centers serving over 4,000 corporate and government customers. Now, that government customer count of theirs is certainly growing and delivering through on a lot of reliability because government contracts are certainly much longer than those corporate contracts. Also important to note that their corporate customers are many Fortune 500 customers from IBM, Meta Platforms, JP Morgan Chase, Verizon, Oracle, and LinkedIn. Now, also important to note is the very fact that they have a very high retention rate for these customers, upwards of 80%. Now, the reason as to why that is because switching megawatts from one data center to the next is ridiculously expensive. I'm talking anywhere from $15 million to $20 million to do so. So many of these companies just stay on board, which again should just deliver a ton of reliability and certainty when investing in Digital Realty Trust. Now, in the most recent news, they came out to announce a joint venture with Brookfield Infrastructure Partners to grow on a global scale, which is now, of course, just making for more growth in their future and allowing analysts to continue to have high expectations, coming in at a median stock share price of $175 per share and a high stock share price of $195 per share. Now, as we're here for their dividend, they have a current dividend yield sitting at 2.72%. And while that is in fact the lowest dividend yield for the REITs that we have on the list today, we have to understand that Digital Realty Trust is within a high growth industry, and it sure as heck trades like one, with that stock share price delivering through on a ton of value for us all, making for a perfect REIT to get invested in. Now, next up, we have a personal favorite of of mine. This REIT is Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. Stag Industrial primarily focuses on the ownership and operation of single tenant industrial properties, that being things like warehouses and distribution centers. Now, Stag Industrial is not as mature of a REIT as the other two REITs on today's list, however, packed with a ton of firepower. Now, get this, since their founding in 2010, they've been able to establish a market value at $8.7 billion and acquire and build out 517 properties across the United States. Now, most importantly to understand when it comes to Stag Industrial, why they are just booming, is because most of their clients actually fall within the e-commerce space, and go figure, e-commerce has been taking off since the early 2000s and is only going to continue to do so, which delivers a ton of confidence for me as an investor to continue to dollar cost average my way into Stag Industrial. Analysts high hopes that Stag Industrial is just going to continue to grow, coming in at a median stock share price at $47.50 and a high stock share price at $54 per share. Now, we're here for that dividend, with Stag Industrial paying out a 3.18% dividend yield. Now, I certainly believe that dividend yield will continue to grow as Stag Industrial continues to grow, and it will continue to dominate the market as a powerhouse of a REIT play. And last but not least, REIT number 3, we have Iron Mountain, ticker symbol IRM. Now, many of you may have heard of Iron Mountain and didn't necessarily consider it to be a REIT. It was founded back in 1951, and its original business model called for the storage and or shredding of documentation and records. However, over time, they have been transitioning that business model to be one very similar to Digital Realty Trust, and ultimately they've been doing a standout job with that transition, with a current market value of around $14.3 billion. Now, talk about reliability. We can take a look at their customers. They have over 225,000 customers, with 95% of those customers falling within the Fortune 1000 company category. So a company that's certainly not going to be disappearing anytime soon, especially as they begin to really transition more into that Digital Realty Trust company type of business model and storing a lot of data. Now, with decades worth of reliable cash flow, Iron Mountain has just been focused more recently on aggressively building out digital storage centers. Currently, they have 15 total storage centers, have plans to continue to build out more, and as of right now, they have 1,300 plus customers that are utilizing those 15 storage centers. At this point, I really only do foresee continued growth. So too do analysts, coming in at a median stock share price of $52 per share and a high stock share price of $56 per share. Now, as we're all here for Iron Mountain's dividend, they have a current dividend yield at 4.99%. Now, the choice is yours, but this is one heck of a REIT to get invested into for reliable, safe, consistent dividend income. Now, YouTube, that is it between Digital Realty Trust, Stag Industrial, and Iron Mountain, the 3 unstoppable REITs that we can get invested in right now for our future. Most importantly to understand is that I am not a financial advisor, so just make sure you do your own due diligence prior to making any investments into any of these REITs. However, if you like what you heard, you learned something new, drop those comments below. I'd love to read through them. And of course, tap on that thumbs up button, as that helps me grow this channel and get the word out there. And if you haven't done so already, tap on that subscribe button while you're at it. I'd love to have you on this journey with me. Now, YouTube, until the next video, I will see you all there.